To learn Redux, you need to learn three main things. The things are store, actions, reducers. But what are the things? I'm gonna tell you. Store is the place that we put all our global state. For example, is sign in. The store is something like the database of our state. We can take a slice from our store and put it inside any screen or any component. That's the store. Now actions. Actions are plain JavaScript objects. The actions has two main properties. The property number one is the type, and the type is referred to that action. For example, if I want to make a login action, the type is gonna be login. If I want to add to do, the type is gonna be add to do. That's the type. And the payload, it's the data. For example, if I want to create a login action, I need a data like email and password. And we take that data and pass it to our reducers. What are reducers? Reducers are JavaScript functions. Those functions take the data from actions. They take the type and the payload and update the state depend on those things. For example, in our store, is signed in is false. Okay, that's in our store. The state is false. We want to log in a user. So we can create an action called login action. And the type is gonna be login and the payload is gonna be the email and password. And we take that action and go to reducer. The reducer is a JavaScript function that's responsible to update the state in our store. So it takes the email and password and run this function or fire this function to go to store and update the state there and make the state is signed in to true, not false, in all the screens of the app, because in the state in our store is the global state in all the app. Let me give you another example. Imagine that we have in our store, for example, 4 to-dos, and I wanna to add one to them. First, I'm gonna create an action called add to-do and give him a payload. The payload is gonna be the title and the body. And we take that action and go to reducer. The reducer take an action, it's something like a metadata. And it takes the type of add to do. The reducer look at the type. The type is add to do. So in that case, we're gonna add to do. And the payload is the title and the body. So take that title and the body and add a new to do in our store. So now the state in our store became 5 to dos. If you don't understand me or if you like those things are difficult to you, don't worry. We're gonna talk about store and actions and reducer in next lessons. So don't worry. The next lesson we're gonna talk about store. The lesson after we're gonna talk about actions, and after we're gonna talk about reducer, and we're gonna type code and update the state. So don't worry if you don't understand anything, or if you think those, or if you think that's hard for you, don't worry. And if you like that video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends or anybody that wants to learn Redux. Thanks for watching.